So I have just took delivery, folks, of my DJI Mini 3. I swear when I took it out of the box, it was backwards like this, and I seen iPhone written on it. There. I was thinking this is a bloody iPhone, all the size of the box. It's tiny, you know, but it does say ultra lightweight. So let's open her up, folks, and see what's in there. Oh, nicely packaged in there, folks. There you go. Geez, that is ultra lightweight, all right. So that's the drone. Take that out. There's a controller, folks. Happy days. That is awesome. Well ahead of schedule. This wasn't due until the 27th of July. Okay, folks, I've put you at a bit of a different angle there so you can see more of what's going on. So, out of the box here, we have 1x DJI Mini 3 drone. And over the gimbal here, we've got a protective cover, folks, that can be taken off. And it says just to remove this little bit of foam at the bottom, which was obviously protecting it. Around the lens as well, it just says to remove this here too. I will do that gingerly because this here has definitely got a little bit of flimsiness about it. But yeah, you got a little protective coating there. And just to remove this, there's a tiny little edge you can see, just like a roll of sellotape where you can start to peel it, just in case you're tugging it. That there quite a bit, folks, you don't want to damage it. So yeah, just find that little line and it starts to come away. There you go, all done. That's our unpack, folks. Everything seems to be intact there. So that's the drone. We've got the DJI controller without the screen, folks, on this one. It's got the little holder at the top here that you pull out. Spring loaded. Put your iPhone or your Android in there. And it's obviously got a cable here, folks. It's got 3 cables, in fact, that you can connect your phone or device to. So first off, USB-C to iPhone lightning cable, folks, and that simply plugs into a USB-C port in here and then connects to obviously your iPhone. Yeah, we've got a USB-C to USB-C here, so whatever device would have a USB-C port in it, folks, again, be USB-C from the controller to that device. And then we've got USB-C to what appears to be, for example, a Samsung type phone, Android phone, you know the one I'm talking about. It's got a slight dovetail to the actual connection. And then you've got obviously a charging cable, folks, which is USB-C to USB-C, okay? Point to note, there was no charger that came with this here. I knew that prior to it coming. There was people mentioned in the comment reviews to Amazon, and you just need to make sure you read those, folks, because yes, you do need a charger to go and charge this here. And I've already read up on that. It's a 30-watt charger. No more than that is required because that's the maximum you can go. If you have a larger wattage, it isn't going to charge the batteries any quicker. So you could have one less than 30 watts, but it's going to take longer to charge. All right. What I have here, folks, is the 30-watt Apple Mac charger, which will suffice to charge this drone, folks. It's already got a heavy duty cable on it, USB-C to USB-C. So I could use that or use the cable provided, which is probably the best way to go, folks, because like anything you're charging, there's a lot of heat gets generated. And this cable here would have been specifically designed for the Apple Mac, and I don't want to cause a fire hazard, so just use the cables provided, folks, all right, for like the wattage that it says. So 30 watts, yeah. Use the cable provided just to keep you out of trouble, folks, all right? And if the house did burn down, your home insurance covers you then, all right? So that's the controller out of the way, folks. Like I said before, there's the little, pop these out. It's the little thumb things that go on. I'll just screw one in here. Just a matter of a finger and thumb on there, folks. And that would be tightening that up very gingerly, not heavy-handed like me. So yeah, those are your little thumb controllers, 2 of. I'll just put the other one on here as well so you can see. And just to confirm it actually does fit. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. So that's good to go there with regards to controlling it. Put that there. Also in the packet, folks, there are 4 propeller blades, and there's a tiny little packet of extra screws in there as well. So there is. And to put those screws in, there's a little screwdriver that comes with it as well. And then obviously again, you've got the gimbal, your little camera protector whilst the drone is stored away. And with regards to documentation, folks, you've got a quick start guide, you've got a safety rules. It obviously came from Amazon Japan, but this here is for Australia and New Zealand as well. And you've got a safety guidelines to use the drone too, which are good to read up on, folks, because if you're like me, you'll only get it out and test it out straight away, but it's always good just to read the safety guidelines, folks. And especially if you're flying a drone, you know, around built up areas, you want to make sure that it's actually within the guidelines of flying drones in the country that you reside in. All right. So any questions, as always, folks, I'm happy, you know, to talk you through anything that I've just shown you. I'm obviously going to go through charging it, and then I'm going to take you through taking it out on its first flight. Okay. But that's me for today, folks. Drop questions in there, and I'll leave this one with you and wish you all the best. Take care and good luck.